Suzuki's new compact crossover is due for local introduction in the first quarter of 2017. With impressive spec levels, the Ignis is sure to win over those seeking something uniquely stylish yet capable and easy on the pocket. Suzuki Motor Corporation unveiled the new Suzuki Ignis for Europe at the 2016 Paris Motor Show as its global compact crossover, and it clearly demonstrates convenience and comfort in a stylish new exterior. In addition to this, the Suzuki Ignis features excellent visibility, a spacious cabin, and ample luggage space. The development goal was to create compact crossover styling that is undoubtedly Suzuki. Design-wise, there's no mistaking the Ignis is anything other than a Suzuki. With short overhangs, a unique rear quarter, and distinctive front that integrates LED headlamps, the Ignis cuts a unique profile. Those with a keen eye for detail will note the Swift-like distinctive black-type A and B pillar designs. Complementing the simple yet unique exterior design is an equally funky interior, which is not short on standard specification. A central dashboard arrangement houses an upper-level touchscreen infotainment system, while below that retro-looking rocker-type switchgear are used for air conditioning and auxiliary functions. The two-tone dashboard options, as well as the splashes of color, which depending on the choice of exterior color, lifts the interior ambience and lends it to a futuristic look. Suzuki's decision to adopt a new platform strategy has paid off handsomely with regards to interior space. Courtesy of shrunken engine compartment, designers have maximized interior space available for passengers and luggage. Standard equipment for all Ignis models in the range is comprehensive and includes 6 airbags, air conditioning, radio with Bluetooth, 15-inch wheels, body-colored door mirrors, front electric windows, and 5-seat capacity. Powering the Ignis is a 1.2-litre dual-jet 4-cylinder petrol engine which generates 67 kilowatts and 120 newton meters of torque at 4,400 revs per minute. Additional complementary systems to the all-grip system includes hill descent control and grip control. Grip control activates on slippery surfaces at speed of less than 30 kilometers. Once switched on by the driver, it focuses torque on the driven wheels that have grip and will quickly apply braking to the wheel that is spinning. In two-wheel drive models, power is sent to the front wheels via a 5-speed manual gearbox.